the fondant potatoes. I have a couple of russet potatoes that I'm going to cook by a technique called fondant. I'm going to make fondant potatoes out of them. And I'm not going to go through any fancy shapes because I don't want to waste any of it. This is all I have to feed 4 people. So I'm going to cut one cut there, another cut here, then I'm going to go through the middle and cut those 2. I'm going to put these in a cast iron pan, and I want to get the bottom of it really dark brown. I have a little bit of avocado oil in the pan, and it's probably no more than a tablespoon or so. And I'm going to add the potatoes. Get one more in there. There we go. I'm going to let those brown, and then on the potatoes that have the even sides, I'm going to brown that also. Once this process is done, I then add some chicken broth, which I already have here, mixed up, and I like to use better than bouillon chicken base, and I added 2 teaspoons of the base and 2 cups, a little less than 2 cups of water. I'll watch this, and then we'll come back once they've gotten a little bit more brown. I've got some of the sides brown. And then I'm going to add the chicken broth base, and put them in the oven and let them continue to cook until they're tender. Little ways to go to get the other side brown. I flipped them again, and they're almost ready on the other side, generating a lot of smoke, which I'm hesitating turning on the fan because you won't be able to hear me. But my kitchen's getting all smoky. Going to now add the chicken broth, and it's going to steam up a bit. And then this goes in the oven to finish cooking. The fondant potatoes.